How to add shadow to text in Photoshop 2026. Please leave a like and consider subscribing if this helps. So I have my text here, and what we want to do is we want to get some cool drop shadow on the text. So we're going to start by going to the layers to the bottom right and then double click on it. This will then open up the layer style and then find drop shadow at the bottom. So obviously we can't see it because there's a black background, so we're going to begin by clicking on the black color. We're going to change it to white, but then we've encountered a new problem. We can't see it. Sometimes you have to change the blend mode, so I'm going to change it to normal. You can play around with the different effects and how they interact with the different layers, but to keep it simple, we're going to just put it on normal, and then we're going to mess with the angle. We can see where the angle is by looking at the thing on the right there. So I tend to put it at a 45-degree angle. So let's just put it on, I don't know, 145, 135. Okay, looking good, looking good. And then the distance is obviously how far away it is. So I want to have a fairly subtle effect. Let's go for that. The spread and the size, you can see how that interacts. The spread is like how thick it is, and the size spreads it out, almost feathers it. So you can have a drop shadow that's more subtle, or you can have one that's very harsh. I personally really like the harsh one, and to achieve that, you just keep the size and spread at 0, and you simply mess with the distance. You can also add things like noise. Just do play around with it, you know. It's all about the creative process, but if you just want a simple drop shadow like this, you simply just mess with the distance, and that's enough.